Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be decluttering my eyebrow products, all of that kind of stuff. Don't know how much of the other stuff I'll declutter, or this to be honest. Let's get started. I recently got this Juvia's Place palette. It's not going anywhere. It is gorgeous. I do have a look that I did with this, so I will link that down below. If it's posted. I don't even know if it's posted yet, but I'm keeping this. I am also keeping this Luna Magic, the Uno palette. My mom gave me this and I really, really like it. The Persona palette I love. Did Jen declutter this to me, I want to say? This Huda Beauty Nude Light palette I love. Not getting rid of that. Not doing too good. My Tarte palette, it's seen better days, but I really do like this, so I'm keeping that. My Master palette by Mario, I really do like. I don't use it nearly enough, but I'm keeping that. This Modern Renaissance Jen gave me, and I realize I'm just not really using it, but I can get the same looks in all my other palettes, so I think I'm actually going to pass this on and see if Jen wants me to send this back to her to send to her family in the Philippines, or if, I don't know. But I think I'm going to pass this on. I'm surprised. This Bare Minerals. Oh, you know what? This is so pretty. Oh, but I don't use it. Jen sent this to me also when she was doing her declutters. Look, it's like perfect. I'm going to pass that on. Keeping this little mini e.l.f. bite-sized palette in Rosewater. It's gorgeous. That's a liner. Guys, I just can't bring myself to get rid of this. I love the pretty, but you know what? Wow, this quality is still pretty good. In my most recent, 20 things to declutter now, it was like, don't keep things because of packaging, blah, blah, blah. I think I'm going to finally get rid of this. Oh my God, I was not expecting that. Oh, it hurts. It hurts. I feel like I should get rid of this also. I don't need it for the blushes and bronzers. Oh my God, this is so old. I can't believe I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna do it. I'm not in love with this little this quad in Cream and Sugar from e.l.f., but I am going to keep it and kind of play around with it a little, and maybe it'll leave next time. I do have these 4 singles. Let's see how the jelly. Oh my God, guys, it is completely solid. I mean, look, it still is gorgeous. That is so freaking disappointing. Jen, are you watching? Have you checked yours? Okay, this one actually isn't. Gosh, this one's oil slick. It's amazing. I'm pissed. God, this one was gorgeous. I don't even know the name of it. Glazin'. No, I think that's a type of, it's in Frosted. Frosted, how could you deceive me? How could you disappoint me? Oh, I'm so upset. Okay, well, I'm glad I opened it. And now I know that they dry out, so I need to get my act together and use this guy. This one is basically like the jelly version of this. Wow, so pretty. This is so glittery, but I need to start using some of these because I honestly haven't used them in forever. These L'Oreal ones never go bad, right? You know what? Iced latte. I think I'm gonna let you go. I'm doing it. Okay. Whew. Guys, I think I'm breaking a sweat just getting rid of some of this stuff. It hurts. Okay, this is from Essence, and this is the Metal Shock Eyeshadow in Stars and Stories. I do like that. I haven't used it in a while, but that's because I'm not using anything. Okay, is this the Brow Gal? Oh, this is the Brow Hair. I could still use this. And I am going to get rid of this because it's gross. I'm going to get rid of this brow pomade that I barely used because I'm just not going to use it, let's be honest. This Anastasia dark brown, I'll use these. Things like this, I don't like decluttering, like these brow gels and stuff, because I hate spending money on them. They're not fun for me. So like I want to keep them. This is the Gimme Brow. Same thing from Benefit. And this is also the same thing. So I'm going to keep these because I could definitely use them. I'm going to get rid of this super old, gross Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have one that I use now specifically for the spoolie. So time to get rid of this. This brow pencil is dry. Dry AF. Oh, okay. There we go. It's a decent color. Maybe I should try it out and see. So I'm going to keep it for now. And we do have this Winky Lux brow pencil. I think this came in a FabFit. All right, guys. So my battery died on my phone, which is what I record with. So I think some of it got cut off. This is my black gel liner. This is L'Oreal in Blackest Black. It is their lacquer liner. And I very rarely use it, but it is on the newer side. So I'll keep that. These are my liners, used and unused. I do have an olive green liner from NYX that is in my makeup basket and that I keep. I'm going to get rid of this Julep one. It is a gel eye glider, and it is still, oh God, it's so nice. It is so old, so old. I need to get rid of it, but it still works so nicely. Now, on the other hand, this is so old. It's like a Kat Von D purple liner in Homey, and I can't get rid of it because I love it so, so much. This end is just like the sharpener. So I'm keeping this, and I do have this little mini black liner from Sephora, and I do have these. This is a set from Laura Geller. Let me see. I was actually going to get rid of these, but maybe I'll keep them. Aquamarine, Purple Paradise, and Rainforest. So let's see. Ooh, this actually is a good replacement for this guy because it is more of a blue. And you know what? Oh, it's not as bright, but it is a beautiful purple. What I was hoping was that this purple, I could replace this, but I just love it. And this one was what, Rainforest? Ooh, I actually think I'm going to end up getting rid of the NYX one. So I'm actually going to keep these three, and I'm going to take them out. You know what? I'm going to do it. Oh, God. I haven't used this in so long. I'm just going to get rid of it. That actually hurts because I love it. So I have these guys, and I know this isn't eye related, but I do have these three perfumes. Are they all Rollerball? Ooh, that smells really nice. Okay, but this is English Laundry, and I think I got this in a FabFitFun. I'm going to get rid of the Lady Gaga Fame. This is a million years old. And this Flower Bomb from Victor Rolf. I really would like to keep. I think I'm going to keep this one. I think I'm going to see if my mom or my sister-in-law want this guy. So, not too shabby. This is what I'm getting rid of. 2 little perfumes, 3 brow products, 2 eyeliners, 4 palettes, and 2 singles. Not too bad. I honestly didn't think I was going to be able to get rid of anything, and I checked with Jen, and she does not want these back to send off anywhere. So I'm going to see if my sister-in-law or if her niece want it, or her niece's niece. For these guys, I should probably just throw this away and this one, to be honest, because they are super, super old. This will go in the trash. These will all go in the trash. So I'll see if anyone wants these products, and this will go in the trash. Just keep in mind what you have. If you're a collector and you love getting a lot of products, fine, that's great, good for you. But if you feel overwhelmed by products, get rid of them. You know, go through, call them, you know, regularly. Even if you're just getting rid of 1 or 2 products here and there, it adds up, and it allows you the time and the energy and the focus to focus on the products that you do really like. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below and let me know what is the one thing that is hardest for you to declutter, whether it is highlighter or lip gloss or pencils and pretty pens and stationery, like your shoes, even though you don't wear them. It doesn't have to be makeup related. Comment down below and let me know. Again, I will link the playlist to all of my makeup declutters in the info box. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up, share all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye.